In order to use AgExpert Analyst to issue invoices, go to Transactions, Point of Sale. Start by choosing the date. Then enter the reference. If you are using computer invoices, this reference will be the next invoice number in the list. Choose the customer involved in the sale. To choose a customer, click on the drop-down list and choose your customer's name. You may also start typing your customer name and select it from the search results that appear. Select if you want your invoice to print immediately after recording. If you leave this unchecked, the invoice will go into the Invoices print queue for you to print later. Next, choose your type. The default is Income. Then, choose your account. If you've chosen Income as your type, only the income accounts will appear. As you become familiar with your accounts, you can also type in the account number or its name in the account field. Next, enter a memo. Enter a quantity and a unit price. This will provide you with a row total. To see a list of taxes, click the Taxes field and choose the tax that applies to the row. If you need another row, press the Tab key or click the green plus button. If you leave the row blank, the system will ignore the row when an invoice is generated. The Cash or Charge option is at the bottom of the screen. In this example, Joe Customer appears in the Customer field and the Ship To field. The total of the invoice will post to accounts receivable, so your customer can pay for it later. If this was a cash sale, you would then need to choose the bank account and the payment method. The total of the invoice will post to your bank account as a deposit. Selecting the Review button will show us what is going on behind the scenes using debits and credits. We also have the Notes, Edit or Reverse Transaction, Load a Memorized Transaction, and Save as Memorized Transaction buttons, which work exactly the same way as they do in transaction entry. To record this invoice, click Record.